Hello there. Well, today we're going to look at the semi-automatic capsule filling machine. A semi-automatic capsule filling machine is a monster. Like when you have this machine, you nearly got your problem solved. If you're manufacturing natural supplements and you're packaging anything into capsules, semi-automatic encapsulation machine. Now, there's several models of this machine, some older versions, which no longer, they're actually out of the market. But some people will still sell them, only that they will lack so many features that the current models have. So the semi-automatic capsule filling machine, it comes in so many capsule sizes. And I already told you this, that capsules come in different sizes. There is size 0, which is the smallest standard size. Size 00, which is the average standard size. And then there is the size 000. Size 000 is like those large capsules that you swallow and you feel like it's getting stuck in your throat. But that holds about 1 gram of powder. The size 00 holds about 500 750, depending on the density of the powder. And then the size 0 is like the smaller version. Those tiny capsules that you buy, it holds about 250 to 350 milligrams. Now, every time you want to buy a semi-automatic capsule filling machine or any kind of tablet encapsulation, you want to be very careful about the capsule size. Because if you buy a wrong machine, then it's not going to be compatible with the type of capsules that you sell. And when you're buying a semi-automatic machine, you need to know especially the capsule size, because the molds are customized according to the capsule size. Like to the point, to the dot, like there is no mistake about it. So, if you're making drugs that maybe you only need to maybe put in like 10 milligrams, 20 milligrams or 100 milligrams, then you're looking for capsule size 0. Some drugs or over-the-counter medications may need about 500 milligrams, then you're looking for the size 00. If you're going for supplements, something that needs over 750 milligram to about 1 gram, then you're looking for size 000. But there are other smaller sizes before size 0, which is like size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are like smaller sizes, right? Now, when you buy a semi-automatic capsule filling machine, it's called semi-automatic because the human being does half of the job and human being does half of the job and the machine does half of the job. Capsule filling machines, the semi-automatic version, comes with especially 3 different mold in there. You can actually have 3 different molds in one machine, but they have to be compatible. And this particular machine, when you buy it, the machine is automatically going to come with one set of the capsule mold. And one set includes the capsule disc, the capsule sewing, and then the capsule tampering. So if you decide to buy a complete set of molds, then you're going to buy a complete system, which is the disc, which will be a different size, and then the capsule sewing component, and then the capsule tampering, because they all have to match. Now, the machine has only one sensor in the back, and the sensor in the back is only for moving the powder hopper to fill and then go back. Now, the machine comes with the capsule hopper where you put in your empty capsules. It uses only full capsules. If you're buying capsules, be very careful. If you buy your capsules and the capsules are using like, the capsules are separated, you're doomed. Because this machine only uses full capsules. And make sure you take care of the capsules, because when the capsules are bad, your production is going to be messed up. Remember, the holes are very specific to the size. There's no room for screwed or broken capsules or crooked capsules. It's going to make production very difficult. So the machine uses an air compressor. That means usually when we supply the machines, we don't supply with the air compressor. When anybody else supplies it, they usually don't supply the machine with the air compressor. So you have to buy that separately. It's really cheap. You know, when you're buying the air compressor, it's very cheap. It's, you just like go to any store. If you're in the US, just go to Lowe's or go to, you know, Ace or Harbor Freight, and then you buy your air compressor. The best size is actually like 6 gallons or even 8 gallons, because all you're looking for in the air compressor is anything that can supply 75 psi. You should buy an air compressor that is about 100 psi, but you're looking to use 75 psi standard. And when it comes to power specification, some people will lie to you that you need 110 voltage. 110 voltage is very, very unstable. You don't need a semi-automatic capsule filling machine that is customized to a 110 power. You need a 220 or actually a 380. A 380 is a waste, but a 220 is the best. It's very stable. And depending on your country, if you're in Europe or Africa, then you're looking at 50 hertz. But if you're in the US, then it's going to be 60 Hz. And in most cases, you're looking for a single phase. There's no need going for a 3-phase when you can have a single phase and a 220. The machine comes with a vacuum. We'll go through ways of taking care of this machine in another video, but this is the best machine you can ever buy. You're going to learn everything about how to run the machine, and you're going to actually learn even how to fix the machine in the event something goes wrong. The machine comes with a separate motor. It is an oil motor, and we recommend our customers to use ISO 100, which is very, very pure, and make sure you buy a food grade. You do not want to use any hydraulic oil on food stuff which is not food grade. And I'm only telling you about this. If you want to know about good manufacturing practices, it's in a separate video. This is just about this machine. By this, you only buy it when you're ready to upgrade to the next level. It produces about 7,000 to 20,000 pills per hour, depending on who is using the machine. In case the person that's using the machine is like highly trained, they know how to work the machine is more efficient because they're really quick. And I can tell you, sometimes you can use 2 different discs at the same time, because when the operator is working at the first station sewing, you can also do the filling at another station because they all have independent functions. The best of these machines are Siemens configuration. You do not want to buy this machine when it's configured with way wheel, you know, Taiwan kind of configuration. You want Siemens. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.
This is why we